It's that time of the year again, Chinese New Year, a time for family reunions and joyful celebrations. But amidst the excitement, there are dangers lurking, ones we often overlook.
Like the car broke down unexpectedly.
While some troubles are unavoidable, there's one thing you can plan for: protecting your car with insurance. Introducing Go Insurance, the hassle-free way to renew your car insurance with live quotes and comparisons of 12 leading insurers. You can also get or renew your insurance in as fast as 3 minutes. And here's the best part: use promo code REFERME for saving up to 150 ringgit off. This Chinese New Year, drive worry-free with Go Insurance. Protect what matters most.